In this tutorial, you will learn how to manually adjust tracking results obtained with Imaris. If you need a basic introduction to tracking in Imaris, please watch tutorials 2D tracking and 3D tracking first. Let's take an example. I want to track all cells in the developing embryo over time and get proper relationships between mother and daughter cells. To do so, I need to detect spots and track them over time using lineage tracking algorithm. In this tutorial, I will load pre-saved parameters and click the Finish button so we can focus on the topic of manual corrections. Once the wizard is finished, I first go to the Settings tab to set up the efficient visualization mode for corrections. I want to represent points as spheres, I don't change the radius now, and track as cylinders. Here I will lower the diameter. In the track display, I choose Dragon Tail option because it enables displaying a little parts of past and future tracks. I set it up for 400 seconds back and forward. There are two very important tabs for manual corrections. Edit, where I can add or delete spots, and Edit Tracks, where I can correct misconnected segments. First, I will remind you how to add missing spots or delete the ones which were detected incorrectly. Go to Edit tab, rotate the scene in a way that the place where you want to add or delete object is clearly visible in front of you. Switch to Select mode using Escape or pointer in the top right corner. Cursors should now be represented as a cube. Scroll up or down to adjust the size of the cube to roughly match the size of the detected objects. Hover the cursor over the place where you want to add a spot and press Shift left mouse click. Imaris inserts the object within the highest signal intensity along the ray. If you have more than one channel in the image, make sure you have chosen the right one. If you want to delete a spot, place the cube cursor over it and press Shift left mouse click. In this tutorial, I have added a few spots which were not automatically detected with the algorithm. Next, I will focus on the Edit Tracks tab. Here you can define the way in which you select tracks or objects. Click Object to select an individual object or number of specific objects. Click Segment to select a specific segment between branch points. Select Branch to select the segment and the branch segments and objects that appear later in the time only. Pivot enables selection of a segment and all segments and objects that are linked afterwards. Track selects the full track and all the objects connected into it. You can easily jump between the modes using keyboard shortcuts created from the first letters O, S, B, P, T. There are several ways to edit your tracks. You can use Ctrl left to select two objects and disconnect them using Disconnect Selected Objects. You can connect them again by pressing Connect to Selected Objects while they are still highlighted. You can select more than two objects, Ctrl left, Segment, or Track, and then you have two options. You can disconnect all objects to break all the links between selected objects, or disconnect selected objects at current time point, which breaks the track only between current and previous frame. You can revert both operations by clicking Connect if the objects are still highlighted in yellow. If you want to connect two disconnected segments, you can select them both in the segment selection mode and click Connect. Imaris automatically creates a connection between the first object in the segment, which starts later, and an object in the previous time point, which belongs to the other segment. This way, you can either create a straight track or connect a daughter cell to a mother cell. Another option is to choose two objects in the following time points. They can be apart from each other by more than one time point, and connect them. To manually correct tracking results, first focus on shorter disconnected tracks. Choose object mode for mouse selection and select the last object within one of the shortest segments. Press Rebuild around the selection. This will reorganize tracks in the track editor window and show only the tracks or objects which are in the close proximity of selected object in the future time points. Use cursor left and right to jump between the time points. Please note that now, when I click on the object which I want to connect within the surface view, they are also highlighted in the track editor window. I can now see that the option Rebuild around the selection worked very well. It's very convenient now to select multiple objects in the subsequent time points and to use Connect button. Imaris adds the connection between the points. Press Reorganize to represent the track as a straight line. It's clear that in the frame 6, one of the objects was wrongly detected. I can disconnect it from the track, select and delete, The new track has been created now, which ends in the frame 30. Select the object within the track in the 12th frame and again press Rebuild around selection. The closest track candidate to be connected to our track has now appeared within the track editor next to it. I want to connect both segments. Here I can switch mouse selection mode to segments. Then simply select two segments and connect. You can see that the correct line has been created. Reorganize track again to get the straight line. In case you see the incorrectly detected division event or need to correct the track, Ctrl left click to select multiple objects and then break the connection between them using Disconnect All Object button. Inspect the elements using the left-right cursors to make sure you are creating the right connections, and press Connect while the objects are still highlighted in yellow. Have in mind that the option Focus Tracks is ticked, so you only see a subset of tracks within the window. If you want to see all tracks, untick this box. Thank you for your attention. Please look for other video tutorials at imaris.oxins.com/learning.